Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nubia Flip and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find the personalization settings. Here we have to tap on this wallpaper section. And as you can see, here we've got some options from which we can choose. We've got recently used wallpapers, some albums with the ethereal wallpapers, subtle fragrance, bright and beautiful, gorgeous, AI art, order wings, simple sparkle, color stone. As you can see, we've got plenty of options to choose from. I'm actually pretty impressed. So all you have to do is to enter the specific album and choose the wallpaper from it. So let me choose maybe something from the AI art. Here we've got 3 options, so let's simply tap on it to open it on the full screen. And if you're happy with your choice, just tap on Set As, and now you can set it as the alt screen, which is on the back of our device, home screen, lock screen, or both, and I will choose both options. So let me tap on it. Now we can go back, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.